Hi, this is Pat Quinn. Welcome to Lesson 5 of the online video course, Using iPads to Motivate Students and Manage Behavior in Your Classroom. This free online video course contains 6 lessons. Each of the lessons is designed to motivate students in your classroom using iPads and to help you manage behavior while students are using iPads. Each lesson contains not only strategies to help you motivate students and manage behavior, but also great apps that you can use with your students in the classroom, and all of the apps are free. Each lesson in this course contains 3 distinct parts. First, online video teaching, which you're watching right now. After you watch the teaching, there is a suggested activity that you can do in your classroom with your students. And finally, after you do those 2 things, there are reflection questions. Questions that you can answer either on a sheet of paper or to keep a journal on your computer that will mark the progress of your learning and keep track of how you are doing in this course. Make sure you do all 3 parts of each lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at some video project apps that you can use with your students. One of the great features of your iPad is the camera that is not only a still photo camera, but also a video camera that students can use. There are a great set of apps that can help students put these videos into projects. The first one is Splice. Splice makes it so easy for your students to record and edit video. It records both the video and the audio and then lays it out on a timeline, making it very easy for your students to edit, insert graphics, and move clips around. It's great for projects in class and great for enrichment. Here's a screenshot from Splice showing a number of projects that can be worked on at once. And here's a screenshot of the timeline that shows how easy it is to insert graphics, insert photos, insert new video, and preview what you have done. Students of all ages will find the interface very intuitive and easy to use. You could use this for group projects in your class. You could also use it for enrichment. If you have some students who already understand the content you're trying to teach, you could have them put together a video to teach it to others while you instruct the rest of the class. Splice makes it easy to edit, record, and share videos. Another option that's available to you is Vidi. Vidi is a very popular video editing app. It makes it very easy to edit your videos and easy to share your videos with others. That's one of the things that makes it so possible. Imagine the possibilities if you can have your students quickly and easily editing videos to share with each other. Here are some examples of video projects in different subjects. Math teachers are always being asked the question, when am I ever going to have to use this? You can give your students an iPad and tell them to go out and shoot a short video that shows them applying the math that they've just learned. These films can be shown in class, saved and archived so that other students, when they ask, when am I ever going to have to use this, can be shown those videos. Science can be applied through demonstrations. Students can learn science out of a textbook all they want, but until they actually apply the learning to real-life situations, it's just book learning. You can have your students film demonstrations of them applying the science that they're learning. That's a great group project that increases motivation and really helps your kinesthetic learners get out of their desk and get active. Language arts teachers can teach plot and storytelling aspects by having students film short dramas. And of course, social studies teachers can have students dramatize any aspect of the history or social studies that they're teaching, so that it becomes more applicable and concrete for learners in the classroom. I'd also like you to consider 3 other video editing softwares and apps. The first is Video Editor Free for iPad. This is a very popular one with very few features. It is free to use and simple to use, but it doesn't have as many features as the others. If you find Splice and Vidi too complicated, which I doubt you will because they're quite simple for students to use and the interface is very intuitive, you might want to check out Video Editor Free for the iPad. Video Star is a fun one to use with your students. It allows them to put films and make music videos behind any music track. It makes it very easy for them to insert photos, insert graphics, and film music videos. And the last one, Funny Movie Maker, allows them to distort their faces and distort the images in a way that many students find very fun. These last two are probably more on the fun side and less on the real applicable video editing side, but sometimes in class, along with your video projects, you just need to have some fun. It's great for enrichment, great to motivate your kinesthetic learners and your visual learners, and all three of these I think you'll find useful in your classroom. Your suggested activity for this lesson is to try one of these video project apps. Why don't you start with Splice or Vidi and move on to the other three if for some reason Splice or Vidi does not work for you. Don't forget to come back and answer the reflection questions that are available right on this website as a PDF. If you love Splice and Vidi and want to learn more about video project apps and other types of apps you can use with your students, check out the one-day seminar Help They Gave Me an iPad and I Don't Know What to Do With It. It's coming to a city near you, and you can find exact dates and locations at ideasunlimitedseminars.com. This concludes Lesson 5 of using iPads to motivate students and manage behavior in your classroom.